A very good day to you from Glyptic. Today we bring you a breakthrough in safety, our advanced battery energy storage system protection solution, a smart safeguard designed to protect your valuable battery banks from hidden dangers. Inside every battery bank, countless cells are charging and discharging. Integrated with a specially designed extinguishing panel, the battery management system works around the clock, continuously monitoring cell health and detecting early signs of risk. But when abuse or failure occurs, these cells can release hydrogen and volatile organic compounds, highly flammable gases that can lead to disaster if left unchecked. That's where our system makes the difference. Hydrogen and VOC sensors provide real-time alerts, triggering alarms and activating powerful ventilation to expel gases safely outside the container. If heat or smoke is detected, the system responds instantly, releasing a small dose of suppressant agent. And if conditions escalate, a full aerosol discharge is deployed, flooding the entire container to eliminate danger. This layered defense ensures uninterrupted operation, protects your assets, and most importantly, safeguards human life. This BESS protection system, you get more than just technology. You get intelligent monitoring, proactive prevention, and total peace of mind for the future of energy. Thank you for choosing Glyptic, your trusted partner in advanced fire and safety solutions. To know more, reach out to us today.